Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany. How are you guys doing today? Today we're reading from the book of Exodus and we're covering chapters 19 to 20, and these chapters are called the 10 Commandments, and this is going to be done using the Beginner's Bible Timeless Children's Story. So let's go ahead and get started. It says the 10 Commandments, Exodus 19 through 20. God let the Israelites go to a mountain. Thunder roared and lightning flashed. The people heard a loud trumpet blast. Then God called Moses to the top of the mountain and said, "I am the Lord your God who brought you out of Egypt." God wrote the 10 Commandments on 2 stone tablets for all his people to obey. Let's go over the 10 Commandments. It says, number 1, God is the only true God. Number 2, never make idols. Number 3, never misuse the Lord's name. Number 4, rest on the Sabbath day. Keep it holy. Number 5, honor your father and your mother. Number 6, do not murder. Number 7, husbands and wives must not commit adultery. Number 8, do not steal. Number 9, do not tell lies. Number 10, never want what belongs to others. Now we're going to go to this page, and it says, the Israelites needed a place to worship. God showed them exactly how to build a special tent. It was called a tabernacle. God placed a cloud over the tent. Whenever the cloud moved, the Israelites packed up and followed it. That is the end of Exodus 19 to 20, the 10 Commandments. And next time, we're going to be starting Numbers 13, which is going to be called the 12 Spies. I hope that you guys have a fabulous and amazing, blessed day. I will see you next time for 12 Spies. Goodbye.